Hi everyone, my name is Risha. Today is the 8th of September 2024. I'll be going over week 36 results for SPY's results from the front testing of the day's open day close strategy, previous day close strategy. And without further ado, before getting into this video though, it is important to note that this black line was due to an error in my computer that caused me to switch. And as such, that data going from 7th of June till the 3rd of September isn't available on this version. However, it is fully tracked and recorded on YouTube. So if you want, you can definitely go through. And I've just put the last data points from my predictions, taking them from my video. And that's how I've continued my data from where I left off last week. On the 3rd of September, we had a sell signal where we made a profit of $15,697.69 or 1.491%. On the 4th, we had a sell signal where we made a loss of $1,451.25 or 0.138%. On the 6th, we had a sell signal where we made a profit of $2,469.12, would have made a profit of $2,469.12 or 0.23%. And finally, on the 6th, we had a buy signal, which was a huge loss of $18,556.46. Dollars or 1.739%. But our cumulative return went down to 5.123%. However, our alpha increased from minus 11.92% to minus 7.935%. Since in total, the S&P 500 lost around 4% in this week, where we only lost around 0.157%. So that's all for this video. Thank you for watching. Enjoy, and I will see you next time.